I am Dr. Harihar, Professor and HOD of Psychiatry in Bhaskar Medical College. So this corona pandemic has been causing severe anxiety in many of us. Up to even more than 20% of patients having corona disease, they are going through anxieties and depressions. So corona can cause severe anxiety in various situations, various scenarios. One is patients who have been corona positive, they develop severe anxiety, which manifests, they experience palpitations, intense anxiety, fear, tremor, chest pain, breathlessness, sometimes lack of appetite, lack of sleep. All these symptoms of anxiety they go through. Then some of them, they can even have more severe symptoms like hopelessness and feeling of helplessness, and even suicidal feelings also we have seen in some patients. So they are worried about their own fate, whether they will recover or not. Fear of death that is there. Some of these patients, they are worried about their relatives also, like their parents, children, spouse, whether they will transmit the disease to their relatives, and they feel severe guilt. They go through severe guilt feelings that only due to them only the family members also are put at risk. Like that, some people suffer. Some people, in anticipation of getting a corona infection, they are going through intense anxiety. Like they have seen cases in their neighborhood, in their apartment, in their family members, one of their family members. So they are anxious and worried that they can get infection and they can die of infection. A few patients who are admitted in hospitals due to corona infection, when the infection goes to the brain, or due to some of these drugs, medicines which they are used, they can go through delirium. That is, they see things which are not existing, they get very agitated and so on. But those are temporary problems and they can be easily controlled by medicines. Now, the main problem in these patients, why they get these psychiatric problems and anxiety, is due to the fear of death. That is the underlying cause of all these symptoms in this corona pandemic. Like this fear is similar to what we have seen, what is described in Arjuna in Mahabharata, when he was facing the armies in the middle of the battlefield. He was facing the armies, and when he saw that he is either he may get killed or he may kill others, his relatives, his brothers, his cousins, his uncles, his grandfathers, and so on, they all may be killed. Like that, with such, he was struck with so much fear that he felt very anxious. His mouth became dry, he became tremulous, he lost energy in his body. Then even the bow and arrow from his hands, they also slipped off from his hands. And he just crumbled in the chariot. It was then that Lord Krishna, who was his charioteer, spoke to him, gave him adequate counseling through what is known as Gita. And with that, he overcame all his anxiety, and he got back his courage and fought the battle valiantly, winning the war. So, like that, to go through some of the messages by Krishna to Arjuna, by which he cured him of the malady of fear of death and instilled courage into Arjuna. I'll just quote a few shlokas from Gita, relevant shlokas. One is Jatasya hi dhruvam mrutyuh dhruvam janma mrutasya cha tasmad apariharyethe nattam shochetum arhasi. That is, Krishna tells him that whoever is born, whatever takes birth, has to come to an end, has to die at some time or the other. So death is inevitable. For this inevitability of inevitable phenomena of death, one should never be fearful or get scared or worry about it. That's what Lord Krishna teaches. Then Krishna says, Asyocha nanvashochastvam prajna vajanscha bhashase gatasuna gatasunscha nanushochante panditaha. So Krishna says, do not grieve for people who have died or people who are going to die or not yet died. There is no point in grieving because you are a wise person, you are a learned person. You should not grieve for what is inevitable. Then Krishna says, Hatova prapsyasi swargam jitva va bhokshase mahim tasmad uttishta kaunteya yuddhaya krita nischayah. So, Arjuna, please get up and fight your battle, do your duty, because if you win in the battle, you will enjoy all the fruits and luxuries of kingdom. If you lose the battle, if you die in this battle, still you will go to heaven. Jitvava bhokshase mahim hatova prapsise swargam. So either ways you are going to get the good fruit. So don't have any fear of death and go and fight your war. That's what he says. Then next sloka says, Tasmat sarveshu kaleshu ma manusmara yudhyacha mayyarpita manobuddhir mame vaishyasya sansayah. Krishna tells Arjuna, you always remember me and then keep doing your duty, keep performing your duty, then you will definitely win and reach me. Then he says, Ananyas chintayanto ma ye janah paryupasate tesham nityabhiyuktanam yogakshemam vahamyaham. So Krishna advises Arjuna to have a fully devoted attitude towards God and then keep doing his duties, which are righteous and which work for the welfare of others. If you do those things, I will take care of you. I will take care of your welfare. That's what Lord Krishna reassures him. Then Krishna says, Tasmad asakta satatam karyam karma samachara asakto hyacharan karma paramapnoti purushaha. Krishna advises Arjuna to perform his duties without any greed, without any hope, without any desire for the fruit. With a selfless motive, you keep working, I will take care of you and you will reach me. That's what he reassures Arjuna. These are just a few slokas from Gita which change Arjuna's state of mind and make him fight the battle. So as a ex-soldier myself, I can ask one question. Okay, if there is a fear of death for all of us, who is going to join the army? After all, in the army, our soldiers, they stand in the battlefront, in the border areas. They are facing bullets, and they just don't know which bullet comes from which direction and hits them. Still, they remain fearless and keep doing their duties and fight. So we should also give up the fear of death, and absolutely there's nothing to worry. Death has to come, let it come. But as long as we are alive, we should move on confidently, do our duties, whatever good we can do to the others, to our society, we must keep doing and keep moving forwards. So apart from these pieces of advice, I would also advise that anybody who is going through severe anxiety, they must consult a psychiatrist, and then the psychiatrist, with the help of appropriate guiding, counseling, and sometimes medicines also, will help you overcome this anxiety, depression, and recover from the corona fear. Jai Hind.